So I'm gonna try to figure out how to install this RAM. So it looks like there's some tape there that I have to cut. Find something good. This will do. Yeah, 1 second. In this part, I was basically just opening up the RAM and then, trying to show it on camera, but I failed. So instead, enjoy this voiceover while I, in the actual video, tried to speak to you. Okay, so I got it open. So this is the RAM. I don't really have it set right now since my computer's on my desk. I can't really record. But this is the RAM. It's rather heavy. It's made almost entirely out of metal. So let me try. Let me try bringing up the brightness. Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, so I'm gonna try putting it in. So I think it's like this. And open up all the slots. Then yeah, it looks like there's a little notch in there. I don't have much light. No. Wait, no, actually, I was told I should probably put in my hard drive before I put in my RAM. So I'm going to put this out to the side and get my hard drive right here. This is it's a Barracuda Seagate Barracuda 2 terabyte hard drive. So, because right now, yeah, my walls are so not fully painted. The back is a lot nearer than the front for some reason. Okay. Doubt you guys can see anything. So I couldn't see anything, but so it will cut to right now when I have everything in. I'll try to cut to when I have everything in, then it should be fine. In the meantime, I'm going to try to get an actual setup so that I can easily record. See that? Okay, I found a pretty good setup, and the hard drive is in. Now I think I'm going to put in these RAM sticks that I bought. Vantage LPX DDR4 RAM. I mean, I'm getting everything off of Amazon, and the 2 other things should be coming later. And it's pretty odd the way that this is recorded, as I'm already pretty much halfway through the build. I'm just building stuff as they arrive. So, it seems like there's a notch there that we're supposed to line it up with. Sorry if this looks really sloppy on camera. Oh boy. No. Yes, this is my first computer I've ever built, so I really don't expect to be good at anything. Wait. how do I? Oh. Ah. Yep, that's in. It's the Corsair logo. Probably going to buy a better camera in the future. Now the second piece will stick. RAM. There we go. So as you can see here, 2 pieces are in. Now I think we just have to close all the slots up. It's supposed to close fully or only halfway like it is right now. It shouldn't come out. Yeah, it's in there. In case you're wondering the specs of this build, it's Intel Core i5-9400F, 650 watt power supply, 16 gigabytes DDR4 RAM. Over here, over that way near the front of the case, I got 2 Nocto fans, 120 millimeter and 140 millimeter. Along with these case fans that came with it. Pretty cheap motherboard. 2 terabytes hard drive and 250 gigabytes SSD. And in the mail is an RTX 2070. I think it's pretty good. I mean, there's obviously still a lot to do, cable management, etc. Here, let me try to set this more. Those are the fans I was talking about. At some point, I'm going to get a new cooler, obviously, because Intel stock cooler is pretty hideous. But this is my build. So thank you for watching. Really hope I'm doing everything right.